What are you doing to that thing, Hoss?
Because we recycle, even though we don't have recyclables here at the RV park. It still makes you feel good? It does, because we recycled when we were at home. This is perfect for recycle. And of course, I love my can.
Oh, that's exciting. Are you ready to go yet? Let's go.
Yeah, I wasn't going to open it and show everybody our trash. Let me turn the light off.
Now what are you doing?
Oh, I'm throwing...
Come on, man.
Okay.
We're going to lose our light.
I do not want to leave food or anything out on the counter. That's how I roll. I need my phone.
I can't take you anywhere.
Where is my phone?
This is what we do every single time. I can't find my phone.
Oh. It's on the charger.
Oh, that's nice. Let's hurry up.
Okay.
Come on, we got places things to go.
Okay. All right. Everything's off. Good. Okay. Heat.
Grab the keys. Don't forget the keys. All right. Open the door. Oh. Today we're heading to the Courtney Campbell Causeway. You excited, Christy?
I am.
We have never done this before, and the good thing is it should be a fun ride. The bad thing is we got to drive through like real Tampa. See, this is real Tampa, and it's a little more urban than we given a choice we would like, right?
Right.
Right. But and the beach we're going to, we have to pay for parking. So the reason we're doing it is because
we want to go see a sunset.
Yes, and we do. And one side is Clearwater, the other side is Tampa, and unfortunately the Clearwater side is on the east side of this causeway, so that would not be a good sunset.
No.
But on the west side is the Tampa side, and it should be a good sunset.
I'm looking forward to it.
Yep, and our neighbor stopped by and told us all about the beach and this ride, and it should be a lot of fun. So this should be exciting because Christy hasn't biked a ton, so we're not quite sure how far down we're going to get, and we've heard it's a really big bridge to drive over, so that should be fun too.
Yeah.
But we're doing it for you guys, right?
That's right.
Yep. It's all about the adventures because we are the big road
adventure.
Yes. Wow, it's very urban around here.
It is.
Reminds me of working. Ugh. This is where we're heading. Thanks for what? Speed racer.
50.
Speed racer. Speed racer.
Saturday doing this.
Saturday time. There's plenty of spots. We're fine.
I still want to be around the people.
Oh, I know.
I know.
All right, we made it. We are in the parking lot for Ben T. Davis Park. You excited?
I am.
All right, let's do this. All right, so we're on the Courtney Campbell Causeway.
Yep.
There's a lot of traffic on this side.
Oh yeah.
But this is the Tampa side. We knew we were going to do this.
Yep.
The good news is Christy got to go to the bathroom.
I did.
If the kids come down, we're definitely bringing them here to rollerblade. Everybody's rollerblading.
Oh yeah.
It's very smooth, at least probably 12 feet wide. Very well maintained. Beautiful water on the left.
Yep.
Big road on the right, so we are the big road adventure. It kind of comes with the territory.
Fitting for us.
Yeah, it is fitting. Hey, look, someone's having a shoot.
Yeah. Cool.
I can't imagine what they're shooting. It is Tampa. But the view's amazing. Check that out. So our goal today is to make it to that bridge that is down here. About, looks like at least a mile away. Do you see it?
Yeah.
I have no idea if people can hear us or not.
Oh well.
This was worth $1.10. So just for point of reference, we came here around 3 o'clock in the afternoon and it cost us $1.10 to park for 3 hours. So I would rate that a good deal and 2 thumbs up, because even though it's a lot of noisy traffic, this is a nice view. Yeah, I'm glad we did this. Got the palm trees, open water, and to our right is the bay that goes back towards Oldsmar.
Beautiful.
And from Bay Bayou, it was 15-minute drive maybe?
Yeah.
It wasn't bad, just a little bit of highway.
It wasn't bad at all.
And then you can also do the Clearwater side, and you have to go to, remember the name of that park? Cooper, I think.
Yeah, I think it's Cooper.
Cooper's Landing or Cooper Bayou. We'll put a link below. But it gives you options. I've heard you can park in the middle at the bridge, and we're about to find out if that's true. But the downside of that is it's harder to do the whole thing, because you either got to go one way or the other, since you're already starting in the middle.
What's over there?
So the big question is, what is this path in the middle here? There's another side and nobody's on it. Everyone's on this side. You think? I don't think so. Luckily we brought a lot of water.
You can drop.
Oh, it's like some kind of weird, check this out. It's like a HOV lane.
Oh my God.
Well, as a pedestrian, I find that very annoying.
Yeah.
Unless it's the get out of that parking lane. Yeah, it might be that. There's additional parking right here, which might be free.
Yeah.
We could have parked here.
Yeah.
This parking is not bad.
Now we know.
Yeah, but $1.10. What are you gonna do? Yeah, that's exactly what that is.
Yeah.
Yeah, so this place is sweet. This place is sweet.
Yeah.
Check out the palm trees.
Yeah, let's go back to the place.
A little further away from the cars.
Yeah.
So this whole causeway is State Route 60, and it connects Tampa to Clearwater. And they rebuilt the bridge because they were having problems. Not enough tidal water was going into the bay on the other side. So they had to put a much bigger bridge up. And the bigger bridge allows a lot more water to flow in and out, because it was bad for the ecosystem. That makes sense. Still water's not good water. All right, so the worst sound you've ever heard is 2 ice cream trucks parked next to each other with their music blaring. I didn't get it on tape, and you're lucky that you're not gonna have to hear it, because it was terrible. Terrible. But it's a beautiful day. I can't imagine this place in summer. It would be brutal.
There's a cloudy air.
But I think it's like, what, 68 degrees?
Yeah.
Not a cloud in the sky.
Nope.
If you're gonna come and do this, February clearly is the time to do it. We didn't even know this place existed until a week ago.
I know.
That's what happens when you RV.
That's right.
Your next door neighbor talks to you and goes, "Hey, have you been to the Campbell Causeway?" And you're like, "Nope." And now we have been. And this place is awesome.
It is.
So we hope you guys can make it someday. Highly recommend it if you are in Tampa and you have a way to get on a bicycle, or even come down here and walk.
Look at that. There's the beach. That's what she was talking about. No, she said there's a restaurant and you can walk out.
trip over my words, but it's Starvin' Marvin!
Marvin! Hey, it's Marvin! I'm not sharing my